Infinite Fleet Safety. Training is launching 16 new training videos this August 2026. These videos cover essential topics for commercial drivers and school bus operators, focusing on compliance, safety, and best practices. The goal is to enhance knowledge and promote safer roads for everyone. Several videos focus on hours of service, or HOS, regulations set by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, known as the FMCSA. Topics include the 14-hour driving window, 11-hour driving limit, and 60 to 70-hour weekly duty limits. Other videos explain the 30-minute break rule, 34-hour restart, sleeper berth provisions, and the importance of accurate driver logbooks. Electronic logging devices, or ELDs, and exemptions to HOS rules are also covered to ensure drivers understand compliance and safety. For school bus drivers, new and updated videos teach how to avoid wildlife hazards and respond safely to traffic when loading and unloading students. These lessons emphasize vigilance and proper use of bus signals to protect children on the road. Additional trucking videos cover pre-trip maintenance, tips for new drivers, and handling extreme heat conditions. Tanker-specific training includes logging and documenting, differences between baffled and non-baffled tankers, and spill control measures. Together, these resources provide comprehensive safety guidance for all commercial vehicle operators.